Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the My TV is online and signed into Google. This gives you personalized suggestions and synced history. Once connected, press the remote's voice or search button to wake Google Assistant or open the TV browser if you prefer typed queries. Use the on-screen keyboard or the mobile remote app to type faster. These are first. Essential actions, do them now, because they let you move straight into precise searches without delays or extra setup steps. Now perform the search. Speak natural phrases like search for sci-fi movies 2023 or type a full question when you need precision. Once done, refine results by switching to videos or images or use the tools to filter by time. This narrows items on a big screen. If results are too broad, add keywords or use quotes for exact matches. Make sure to use the keyboard app or casting to speed typing. This makes complex queries simple and faster to iterate. To finish, open the best result and scan content. When done, press back to return and refine the query if needed. If search is slow or missing features, update the Google app or TV firmware. Updates fix compatibility and speed. If voice search doesn't work, make sure microphone permissions are granted and replace remote batteries. Also test the network by streaming a short video. One key tip: reboot the TV after updates. This often clears cached errors and restores normal search behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.